If you want to set a custom alarm sound on your iPhone using your own music or audio, you can do it directly from your iPhone without needing a computer. The process is very similar to setting a custom ringtone, so let me show you how to do it. First, open the app where you listen to the song you want to use as your ringtone. Before we play the song, we need to make sure screen recording is available in Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Tap the plus button in the top left, then tap Add a Control. Find Screen Recording and add it to Control Center. Once you've added it, tap anywhere outside to close the menu. Now, press and hold the Screen Recording button. If you see an option to save the recording to Photos, make sure Photos is selected. Also, make sure the microphone is turned off. Once that's done, tap outside to close the menu. Tap the Screen Recording button, then quickly go back to your music app before the 3-second countdown ends. As soon as the countdown finishes, start playing the song you want to use as your ringtone. Keep in mind that an iPhone ringtone can be up to 30 seconds long, so I recommend recording a little more than 30 seconds. We'll trim it down in the next step. Once you've recorded the part of the song you want, open Control Center again and tap the Screen Recording button to stop the recording. Now open the Photos app and find the screen recording you just made. Open it and make sure you can hear the audio from the song. Next, we're going to trim the recording down to the exact part we want to use as the ringtone. Tap the screen, then tap the edit icon. Use the trimming controls to choose where you want the ringtone to start and end. Make sure the final recording is 30 seconds or less. I recommend keeping it slightly shorter than 30 seconds just to avoid any issues. Once you're happy with the recording, tap Done, then save the edited video. Now we need to extract the audio from this video and turn it into an MP3 file. Go back, then open Safari and search for Convert Video to MP3 online. There are several websites you can use for this. For this example, I'm using FreeConvert, but you can use another converter if you prefer. Once you're on the website, tap Choose Files. Then select from Device and choose your photo library. Find the screen recording we just edited and select it. Tap the check mark in the top right and wait for the video to upload. Once the upload is complete, tap Convert. The website will now extract the audio from your video and convert it into an MP3 file. Once the conversion is finished, tap Download. Safari may now show a pop-up asking if you want to download the file. If you see this prompt, tap Download once again to confirm. After a few seconds, tap the Downloads icon in Safari. Then, from the list that appears, tap Downloads. You should now see the MP3 file that you just downloaded. Tap on the song to open it. Now tap the Share button at the bottom right. Then tap View More. Look for Use as Ringtone and tap on it. Your custom ringtone should now be added to your iPhone. If you don't see the Use as Ringtone option or the downloaded file, don't worry. There's another way to find the same MP3 file. Open the Files app on your iPhone. First, check Recents tab at the bottom. If you don't see the file there, tap Browse. Then go to On My iPhone and open the Downloads folder. You can also check the Downloads folder inside iCloud Drive, depending on where the file was saved. Once you find the MP3 file, press and hold it. Tap Share, then tap More. Now look for Use as Ringtone and tap on it. Your custom ringtone should now be available on your iPhone. Then go back to the Clock app and tap Alarm at the bottom. Open your alarm, tap Sound, and select your custom alarm sound. And that's how you can set a custom alarm sound on your iPhone using your own music, all directly from your iPhone. Since adding the sound as a ringtone also changes your regular ringtone, don't forget to change it back for your calls. Just open Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, then tap Ringtone and select the ringtone you want to use for your calls. That's it. Your custom alarm sound is now set, and your regular call ringtone is back to normal. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.